Hello, this is Chris from Cali Raised LED, and today we're going to show off and show you the installation process of our bed antenna mount. Our bed antenna mount is CAD designed with 13 CNC press broke bends to create the ultimate fitting bed antenna mount. It fits very snugly to your bed, following all the contours of your bed area and coming out to produce a beautiful looking mount for you to mount pods, antennas, flags, and CBs. It comes with a 3/8 hole drilled in the top. However, this can be expanded to a 1/2 inch or 5/8 if required for your antenna. All you need for your install today is our antenna mount and a 10mm wrench. For our installation today, we just have to remove 2 bolts. On the top of your bed, you will have a bolt here and a bolt here. We're going to remove those and install our mount. Once our bolts are removed, you line up your bracket, put them back in. That completes the installation of our bed antenna mount. To check out awesome accessories like this, our bed supports, or our MOLLE panels, please go to caliraisedled.com. Thank you.